Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start at the VIN plate because it tells you the exact model and factory options that determine paint codes. First, open the driver door and inspect the jam, then check the dashboard near the windshield. Record all 17 VIN characters. Once done, collect the owner manual and registration. These sometimes list factory codes. Make sure to photograph the VIN label and any nearby stickers. If text smears, the image will save you time later when cross-referencing. Next, hunt for the factory paint label, because Volkswagen often places it near service points. Check the driver door jamb first, then the engine bay, trunk lid, and glove box. Labels can be tucked away. Read for short alphanumeric codes such as LZ3L or LB5D or a numeric paint number. These are the actual color identifiers. If a label is faded, use a flashlight and magnifier and photograph the area. Once legible, you can match that code to the exact factory shade. Finally, confirm the code by checking a Volkswagen paint chart or asking a dealer. This ensures you get the correct formula and finish. If the label is missing, provide the VIN to the dealer or use a paint matching spectrometer at a body shop to measure the existing surface. If problems arise, gently clean the label area before reading, and when applying paint, always test spray on an inconspicuous panel to verify the match. If it still looks off, recalibrate the match or consult a pro for blending.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.